Hello Daddy. Here we are at Queen's Park in Ipswich having a little nature study. Here's Bubba, here's Corey J, and he's looking at the emus. And they're very, very large. There's another one up there. Yeah, and there's Corey J having a look at him having a little peck. What is it, Corey J? What are they? That's a big emu. Big emu. And up there is a wallaby, is a kangaroo. Right up there.
Funny ears.
What is it, Bubba? What is it?
It's an emu.
It's a big emu, isn't it?
Prehistoric animal, that's what it is.
Big emu. He's having his dinner.
Oh, I wonder what he eats for dinner. Yeah. Yeah.
Say hello, emu. Hello, emu. That's what they make hats out of for the army boys, Corey. We saw an army man that had an emu hat. What's he doing? Huh?
Want to go now?
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, emu. Bye-bye, emu.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Are you still looking at the emu, Bubba? Alright. We'll post some more soon.